My name is Vanessa Barrientos, 28 years old, Filipino. My religion is Roman Catholic. I have one child and my husband is working as a tricycle driver. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. I am the eldest in the family.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Vanessa. How are you right now?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
It must be responsible, honest, and hardworking, ma'am.
Okay, so since you're first timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
I avoid homesickness by focus myself in doing household chores, and if you have children, I can play with them, ma'am.
Okay, so can you tell us the proper way in how to take care of the children?
Sir, madam, I wake up early in the morning to cook food for them. I will assist them in taking a bath and changing clothes. I will play with them. I love them as my own child.
So what if you commit mistakes? What to do?
Sir, madam, if I commit mistake, I will say sorry and I promise not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise to the employer?
Sir, madam, I promise if you hire me to finish my 2 years contract, and I promise to give you my very best to serve you.
Thank you, Miss Vanessa, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.